Hey, Mr. Wright, this is Paul Cundiff here. We have mounted the motor. We have tipped the motor. I say we. I really wasn't involved. I just watched. But anyway, and we've tipped the motor, tilted the motor all the way forward. It doesn't hit anything up here. Matter of fact, we moved what was your seat back before. We moved it forward about, what, 6 inches or so?
5 to 6, yeah.
5 or 6 inches. So this is your, what they call a splash well that you'll have on the backside of the engine. The stringers, we're going to have supports from the stringers, which are, you have to imagine they're back behind here. And so one set of stringers is back here. And so we're coming up right here. And so we're added a little bit back to the, let me back up here. We added a little bit back to the transom on both sides, little wedges. So that'll be your new shape. We're gonna work on making this more rounded right here. So just so you know, our objective was to get this cut out to your design and not do a lot of exact measurements on this or the exact finished product on this. Matter of fact, all this right here, your splash well, is just 1/4-inch plywood mock-up to make sure that that you like this, and then we'll make it out of 1/2 inch and 3/4, depending on what the particular part is. Well, this will be 3/4, and probably this bottom will be 3/4. We haven't got that figured out just yet. But there will be an arch to your deck. This right now is just a 2x4 right now, and there'll be an arch to the deck. We're going to reuse the old arches. And then, of course, we'll redeck the sides here. Let's see, anything else that we want to tell him? So I would like to have your approval on this concept. That's right now. Well, we'd like to keep going, so it's kind of like a speak now or forever hold your peace. But we'd like to just get word from you here and get approval for that.
I mean, structurally, where we're at with, you got 2 stringers on either side of the keel, and I can't really change much of anything to keep the structural integrity. Because I want to beef up that transom as much as possible to hold that big bugger. So I don't want any risk of it moving. So.
Right, and then so you can see one of the stringers through here. So we're going to have on the back side of this, we're going to have plywood panels that come up to the bottom of the splash well. So the splash well will be supporting the plywood panels. The plywood panels will be one on either side of this stringer, and then a piece of wood in between that's about 6 inches wide. We'll through bolt it through the new transom, and then we'll plug those through bolts, and they'll be carriage bolts. We'll do that here, and this one, the inside one comes up to about here, about to here, and the outside one obviously comes up to be part of your splash well. Same thing on this side, 2 that come up to the bottom of the splash well, and they're gonna be 3/4 inches wide, essentially a triangle, well, a polygon shape. They're gonna come up this way. They're gonna be underneath the splash rail that direction, and then down. And then of course here on the inside will come up to about here, and then the outside will come up to here and be the side of the splash well. So that's the plan. Just holler at us and let us know. Hopefully, let us know that you like it, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.